Are you tired of downloading amazing photos online only to find them ruined by ugly watermarks? I know, right? Yeah, it can be so frustrating sometimes. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermarks from photos online in just 1 minute. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share this video to someone that may need this tip. For those of you that might be wondering what a watermark is, so a watermark is basically a transparent text or image that is being overlaid on any photo to give credit to either the original owner or to identify the owner, creator, or most times just like a copyright holder of the photo. So that's what a watermark is. So first thing, you go to your mobile browser, depending on the kind of browser you are using. For me, I'm using Chrome. So you go to watermarkremover.io, right? I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video, watermarkremover.io. So you click it. So it's going to open the interface like this. So you see here, online watermark remover for free. So this tool is basically free, and you can also download it. They also have the app on Google Play for now, but they don't have on App Store. So you can actually download it if you have an Android phone to your phone to use it at any given time. Now the reason why this is here is because I'm already logged in. So let's go straight to the reason why we are here, moving watermark. Now we'll search for any picture online, any picture that actually has a watermark. You understand? So just search for a picture. Let's say maybe you want to download a picture. So there's one I used. So let's say black man smiling with watermark. Yeah. So I want to use the image I actually used for the thumbnail of this video. So you can actually use any image. I can see there are a lot of images here with watermark, but I want to use this one that is here. So let's download this image. So let's download this image. Okay, so I already have it already. So okay, you can see downloaded. So all what you need to do is to come to this AI tool, watermarkremover.io. Now you see where they wrote upload image, right? So you click on upload image. So the next thing, they're going to tell you to select the image that you actually want to remove watermark for. So let's choose this. So let's choose our image. So it's going to process the image. It's going to process the image. It's going to take time depending on how fast your network might be. So it's processing the image. So let's wait for it to process. Now you can see, so this is our original image with the watermarks, and this is our main image without the watermark. So all what you need to do is to download the watermark removed image. So you just click on download, and voila, here we are. So this is what we downloaded. So you can see the watermark has been removed from the image, right? So you can see there's no watermark has been removed from the image. So that's how to remove watermark from any image at all online that you want to use for your project. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like, comment, share this video to someone that may need these tips.